Hello, Harper Creek. On behalf of the English department, we are presenting an informative video to help you schedule for your English classes. Whether you're a freshman or a senior, we hope that you find some important information in the slides following and our flow chart so that you know what you need to take in order to graduate. Looking at our English requirements, when you take English, you have to take 4 levels. You have to have 4 years of English in order to graduate from Harper Creek. We have an English 1 class and an English 2 class that's pretty universal for all students. When you get to your junior year, traditionally, or your 3rd level English, we actually offer 2 different course options. We do the same thing for the traditional senior year English or the 4th level English with 2 course offerings. We hope that you guys are able to complete English 1 through 4 and also look into some electives, but it's really important to understand that when you schedule, you have to take an English course your senior year. We do this so that you're practicing literacy before you graduate. Literacy is so important no matter where you go or what you go into. You have to be able to read, write, and communicate with others. So doing that your senior year allows you one more experience and practice before you move into the big world. So English 1 through English 4 is kind of the course requirements. And we also have the electives that are optional, and you guys are able to take a multitude of electives. You guys generate what electives get run, so please sign up, and we encourage you to look at different ways to study English, whether it's reading for enjoyment, creative writing, maybe you want to look into drama. We have debate and forensics, which is focused on speech. We have AP Literature and Composition, Yearbook, and Visual Literacy. These are great opportunities to explore English in different ways. Looking at our flow chart, we hope that this helps you understand what to take and how the classes flow into each other. Like we said, there's 4 levels of required English. So you have English 1 to English 2. This is your 3rd level English. This is your 4th level English. And then some students will actually take a 5th level English as an advanced student. We also offer other courses or electives if you finish your English 4 or senior English early. So let me explain that and work through the flow chart with you. All students are required to take English 1. You want to make sure you take English 1 your 9th grade year. Some students will take it early in 8th grade as an accelerated course at the middle school. A lot of that is so that you can lead down all the way into classes like AP Literature. Most students will take it their freshman year. You have to take English 2 your sophomore year. That class needs to be completed. It's the same for all students. Some students will take it early in 9th grade because they were doing their 8th grade English 1 course. And then when you get to your 3rd level English, that's where you have some options and you have a couple pathways that you can take. The first course offering is English 3. English 3 is offered to 10th graders and 11th graders. It is focused on analysis skills. We discuss things related to SAT, and we also talk about that upper level reading that's really important before graduation. You could also take Lit and Comp 1 instead of English 3. Lit and Comp 1 is also open to 10th and 11th graders. There are some prereqs. You do need to score a C or better in your English 2 class, and this class looks at similar skills to English 3, but we also do more with college prep and college preparatory skills. When you finish your 3rd level English, you need to move into your 4th level English. So there once again is 2 different offerings, and most kids will follow the flow chart down. Some kids might try a different course or move into a different flow, so to speak. But your English 4 class is your 4th level English. It is offered to 11th or 12th graders. It's traditionally your senior level English. If you choose to take this class early as an 11th grader, please be conscientious that you have to take a English course your senior year for graduation. If you finish English 4 your senior year, you're done with your English requirements at Harper Creek, but we encourage you to take some electives. Some students will jump into Lit and Comp 2. You can take Lit and Comp 2 as an 11th or 12th grader. It's the same thing to consider though. You want to make sure you have a senior level English. A lot of students who take Lit and Comp 2 will move into AP Literature. If you choose to jump from English 3 into Lit and Comp 1, you are allowed to do that as long as you earned a B or better in your English 3 class, or you need to get teacher approval before joining the Lit and Comp 2 course. We want to make sure that you are given a couple options, your junior year or third level year, and then also your senior year or your fourth level year. Some students will take a 5th level English. This is a class that is open to 11th or 12th graders. If you take the course, it definitely fulfills that senior level English requirement. It is a really wonderful course because it allows you the opportunity to earn college credits. We do testing in May, and depending on how you score that test, you might be able to test out of your English course for college, your entry-level English course. So zooming out just so you can see, once again, this is the flow chart. English 1 to English 2, you get to determine which class you want to take for your 3rd level English. This is your class level for 4th level English. And then remember, back to the requirements here, if you do take your 4th level English early, you do need to take something your senior year. And we have the electives as a great opportunity to do that. Once again, here's our elective list. We want to conclude the presentation by discussing literacy. Literacy is such an important skill, and we encourage you to explore literacy in your required courses, but also with electives. We also really encourage you to take an English class every single year, or maybe every semester between electives and required English. Reading, writing, those are gateway skills that lead into all other types of learning. It's very important that you're reading and writing. And we hope and look forward to seeing you guys in all the different classes provided. Once again, if you have any questions about scheduling, please reach out to one of your English teachers in the building or talk to your counselors. And hopefully you have a better understanding of what classes to take and what you need to do to complete and graduate from Harper Creek. Take care and happy scheduling.